Hello everyone! So I'll continue giving you an update here in my garage area. But before I start with an update on my succulents and cactus, I wanted to share something that really caught my attention. It's like a Christmas tree. So look how lovely is this tree, or I'm not so sure if it is a shrub. But it really looks nice, right? The red flower on it that it blooms. It's actually beside the rack of my cactus in a rain or shine area. And there's another one here on the side. Right? So pretty to look at. It's like a Christmas tree. So right now, the sun is shining bright in my succulent here in the garage area. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. And this is my sharing for today. So we have here my Tomentosa collection. So this is Melotti and it's a variegated one. This one is non-variegated, but the first pot actually is a variegated, but the variegation cannot be seen clearly, but the small ones can be seen. Yeah. But this one, the non-variegated one, has bigger leaf compared to the variegated, and there are some babies. So I cut this one because it got elongated. Actually, during the storm, this pot tumbled down and the stem broke. So that's why I have no choice. So look what happened to my burst post. So this is what's left. But I am so happy to see some babies growing, although there are still some more stems. And this is our cinnamon. Look how pretty. So that is why I am not fond of collecting Tomentosa. They are really unpredictable and hard to take care. But for this fuzzy, it's okay. And look at our Staphyloides. Yeah, very pretty, the colors pink. So there's one long stem and there's the bird at the back. So this one is also a fuzzy. So the smaller set there. And this one, I'm not so sure of the ivy. Yeah, and this is our chocolate soldier, I think. Yeah, I'm not really, I forgot the ID. And look what happened to our black tide. Say goodbye already. So this is caused by too much rain. Yeah. But I still not cleaning up the pot, hoping that the leaves will give me babies. And then below I have some propagation there. So I can see some ants on the stem. Maybe there's little bugs. And in front, I have the Astrophytum asteria. They are only very small, around 1 inches, and they are potted in a clay pot. So this one is the same, around 1 inches, and there's one gymnocalycium there. There's babies, and this is Thuyon, the spider web. And this is a pink side, it's very side. And then on the next rack we have our small size of variegated Gymnocalycium. It's actually the jelly type. Yeah, I don't know if this will survive, but the others are okay. So let's go to the next rack. I have here my Cypriplat, and this is my pink chadelet. So lush, the leaves is so lush, and there's Tinkerbell, and there's another pot. I have a cute pot from Mama Donna TV. Hi Mama Donna, thank you for this pot. Hello Chubby, barking. Hello Chubby, say hi. So Chubby, you keep quiet first. Mom's doing a vlog. Sit. Sit. Mommy said sit. So that's why I hate doing a vlog because of my little chubby so noisy. And this is a kind of hawartia. I have to be fast so chubby won't make noise. So this is, I think, red bell, cactus. This is red blush, variegated awayuki, but the variegation is gone. Our variegated purple delight, and this is my stem, or there's an offset of the purple delight, but variegated one, but the other rosette died because of the rain. This is the other small cute pot that was given to me by Mama Donna.tv. And I have here the variegated succulent that I did not know the ID. It has actually an offset below. It becomes two head, yeah. And this is the biggest tamsiai that I have. I have here my striding lovely rose at the back. I'm so sorry for the noise. So at the back I have here the silver plant. I have here my Sansevieria, which is very lush. So I can get some of the biggies and transfer it to another spot. I have my biggest variegated Gymnocalisos. And this one, I do not know the ID, but there are lots of dried leaves, yeah. And this is my blue cante, the weeds on the pot. So this area is within the garage area, but it's really exposed to full sunlight and full rain. Whenever it rains, it's like rain or shine area because it's at the edge of the garage area. So there are dry leaves here also. I hope my purple delight will become big and healthy so I can propagate it. And then I have here the silver plant again, and my green cactus is okay. And I have here my cristata. This was infested by scales and little bugs, and I have to uproot it and brush it off and then repot it again. But look how pretty is the red stress color on the tip. And this is another cristata, and this is a clumping cactus and a silver plant. So that's what can you see on the first layer of this rock. And then I have here my euphorbia. So before it was variegation, now I cannot see any variegation at all. I don't know what happened, but on the back part I think there's more variegation, the white thing. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So it's actually big. It's been with me for 2 years already. So maybe on this side the variegation can be seen clearly, yeah. And this is, I think, a hawartia. And this is my blue aloe. Some parts are dry. There's a weed. And this is another kind of aloe, which I do not know the ID. Look at our... So I'm so sorry for the noise. They are annoying. So this is our Tears of Angel, the mother's rosette, or the plant that gave babies, already got taller, and the babies got bigger. And I have here another cactus. It's having scales again. I have to brush it off. There's my two-head aloe. This is my King Victoria. This is my variegated swirl. Soon when they're offset. I'm so sorry for the noise of my little chubby. So there's an offset of my variegated swirl, and there's 2 more offsets here. This is I forgot the ID, but this is a kind of agave. So I have to be fast before Charlie barks again. And this is my Hummer Sunset, my hawartia, another kind of hawartia. So the flower of hawartia look like this. And my golu. And look what happens to my burst bulb. I don't know if it still can recover, but I am so happy to look at my hawartia. And there's a variegated one. This is my variegated aloe. This is one of the freshest plants that I do have here. And of course, my very beautiful honey eye. It's a kind of sansevieria. This is the mother plant and this is the baby. Look at the baby, so pretty. And another part of honey eye, but it doesn't have offset yet. And this is my gasteria, which is trying to recover. So I got it from the rain or shine, where the cactus rock. From the cactus rock, I mean, and there are two offset. I mean, 3, 4. And most of the cactus pattern here died. Yeah, I don't know why. It's actually a variegated Gymnocalycium. Look how small the other one. So this is my flapjack. And this is my other part of my euphorbia. So I want to cut this stem later. So this is what you can see in the second layer. And this is actually the continuation of the update that I promised to you from my last vlog last November 25. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Let's keep praying, everyone. And happy gardening. God bless us all. Bye bye. See you on my next vlog.